Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will be learning how to create a classic to buy one Lego brick. The brick ID will be on the screen, and the reference that I am using will be on the description. To start off, we will be doing a rectangle sketch on the front plane. Every stud is 8 mm, but you should remove 0.1 mm in every edge so the brick fit together. With that being said, our brick will be a 15.8 by 7.8 mm brick. Now we are going to boss extrude our sketch by 9.6 mm, because that's the height of a Lego brick. To make the down hole, we need to do a sketch so we can make the cut after. So we go to the down face of the cube and do a rectangular sketch. You may say that we could also use a shell to do this, but to keep the central tube, we will be sketching the rectangle and the circle to make both shell and tube. The distance of the rectangular shape to the edge of the brick will be 1.2 mm. Now we will add a circle on the middle of the face, with a 3.2 mm diameter. And now we will do a 8.6 extruded cut, so we get that shell with the tube in the middle. Wow, that's it. To do the studs, we will be going to the opposite face, so we can start sketching the stud circles. There will be two studs, aligned together and with the same distance to the middle. The stud's diameter is 4.8 mm, and their distance to the edge of the brick will be same to both of the edges, and that's 3.9 mm. As you can see, we already have the sketch ready to be extruded. To extrude, we will go again to boss extrude and do a 1.8 mm blind extrude. Now that the Lego is gaining form, it's so easier to see that we heading to the right ending. On the Lego brick, the studs are hollowed, so we need to be making them shells. To do that, we just go to the interior of the brick and start sketching. We will be doing a circle sketch on this face, and make it corradial with the stud. To do that, we press Ctrl and select both of the circles and click in concentric. The little circle will be 2.6 mm diameter. Now, we do a cut extrude. The cut will be blind and 1.7 mm long. To do the Lego branded logo, we need to sketch on the top of the stud. Now, you do a middle point line on the middle of the circle and to this direction. Now, mark it as a construction line. Do a center line perpendicular to the line we just made, and another one, just parallel to the first one we made. Now, dimension the lines, like I am making right now. 1.2 mm distance of the parallel lines, and 4.25 long, the bottom one. Go to the sketching forms, and select text, and word Lego, and tick the box that says, use document font, and use the font, Agency FB, and select, points, and make it 6. Now, select the bottom line, so the text is written right onto it, and center it, and make it italic. Now that we have the sketch, it's time to extrude. Yeah, keep the Lego text selected, and go to boss extrude and extrude by a tiny little, 0.1 mm. Now select the linear pattern option, and go this tiny arrow. To the direction, select this one, and make it 8 mm distanced. Select features and faces, and select the ones we just made. To the material of the brick, go to this lateral menu and select Appearances. Go to Appearances, Color, Plastic, Medium Gloss, and select White Medium Gloss Plastic, or any other color you want.
This is our Lego brick for today.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.